So we're going to load the stub roll feature, which is in the back on the top here. And here's a perfect example of a stub roll. So what you do is the paper is out of the machine totally. Even if you have a main roll in here, take it out. It's a lot easier to load. And then you kind of take this piece of the paper and just don't even load it onto the stub knobs on the top here. Kind of tuck it down in the back, and then in that space that you see my hand coming out, pull out a little bit of it, and then put the roll onto the two spindles on the top there, and kind of pull it a little bit, make sure that it's rolling, and then take and load it by putting it inside the roller, pushing the knob to get it started, pull it out. As far as pull off, tear off the sheet, then you're ready to go ahead and load the main roll onto the main portion of the dispenser. So then you put the paper onto the spindles here, and then you see the bar on the top here. This just goes over, and you barely even have it where you want it to be where the paper is right at the end of this little plastic thing in here that you can't see, but the plate of the stub roll, you want the paper just to lie on there. So you're barely making it so that the paper is on there, so that when you push this button, you don't want this main roll to move. You just want the stub roll to move. The main paper will then grab after the spring of the stub roll has gotten to a point to where it's almost at the end. Then the main roll will go ahead and start going. Then you close up the dispenser and you're ready to use. So right now we're using the stub roll, and as you see, the stub roll is dispensing here at the bottom. See how that sounds.